Ever felt the thrill of go-karting turn into frustration because your kart just won't accelerate? Imagine being on the track, ready to race, but your go-kart feels sluggish and unresponsive. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a newbie, understanding how to fix acceleration problems is crucial. In this video, we'll guide you step by step to get your go-kart back to its peak performance. First, let's talk about the symptoms of acceleration problems. Jerking movements, sluggish response, or a complete failure to increase speed are common indicators. These issues can significantly hamper your driving experience, making your go-kart less enjoyable to drive. It's not just about winning races, it's about the sheer joy of driving, and acceleration problems can take that away. Let's dive into the first step, checking the carburetor. The carburetor mixes air and fuel, essential for the engine to run smoothly. Look for any visible signs of clogs or damage in the carburetor. You may need to remove it to inspect thoroughly. Cleaning the carburetor, including the main jet, can often fix the problem. If it's damaged, you may need to replace it. Next, let's check the fuel system. The fuel system delivers fuel from the tank to the engine. Any obstruction or bad petrol can cause acceleration issues. Inspect the fuel lines for clogs and clean them if necessary. If the petrol is old or contaminated, it may need to be replaced. Now let's move on to the spark plug. The spark plug ignites the fuel-air mixture in the engine. A bad spark plug can lead to poor acceleration. Check the spark plug for wear and replace it if necessary. This simple step can make a big difference. The air filter is another crucial component. It ensures that the air entering the engine is clean. A clogged filter can restrict airflow, leading to acceleration problems. Cleaning or replacing the air filter can often resolve the issue. Regular maintenance is key. Inspect the drive system and chain. These components transfer power from the engine to the wheels. Damage or wear can cause acceleration problems. Check for any signs of damage or wear in the drive system and chain. Proper lubrication is also essential. Throttle cables play a crucial role in controlling the throttle response of your go-kart. Inspect the throttle cables for any signs of rust or damage. Adjusting the cable tension can improve the throttle response. Your go-kart's manual may provide specific instructions for maintaining and adjusting the throttle cables. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing acceleration problems and ensuring your go-kart performs optimally. Check and change oil regularly, clean or replace the air filter monthly, and inspect spark plugs every 3 months. Use fresh, high-quality fuel and avoid leaving old fuel in the tank. Clean the carburetor every 3 to 6 months to prevent clogging. Lubricate the chain after every use. Inspect the clutch for wear every 3 to 6 months, and check and adjust belt tension monthly. Check tire pressure weekly, rotate tires every 20 to 30 hours of use, and inspect wheel bearings monthly. Check brake pads for wear monthly, bleed brake lines annually, and adjust brake cables as needed. Check for cracks or damage in the frame weekly, tighten all bolts and fasteners monthly, and inspect steering components every 3 to 6 months. Test the battery monthly, check all wiring for frays or loose connections quarterly, and ensure all lights and indicators are functioning properly. By following these preventive maintenance tips, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of acceleration problems and other issues. Remember, consistent upkeep not only improves performance, but also enhances safety and extends the life of your go-kart. So why not take proactive measures to enjoy a smooth and responsive karting experience? Thanks for watching. For more tips and tricks, visit RiiRoo.com.